Learn Igbo simple sentence. Start with, what will you eat? What will you eat? Breaking it apart and using a sound helper. Say gi and ni. Gi, ni. This is a ka. This is a letter E and G and letter A. E, K, A. And this is real. So let's say it together faster. Gini ka ige ri. So in Igbo, we say gini ka ige ri. Can you say it with me? Gini ka ige ri. What will you eat? So that's it. I hope you learned that. So how do you say, what will you eat? That's correct. Hope the sound alike helped. Look at you. I know you get it. So for more Igbo video and sentences, like and subscribe for more. Dalunu. Bye.